Hi guys, welcome back. Hey YouTube, what's going on guys? So today, I hope they didn't send me the wrong amplifier. Okay, the box just had something different written on it. I hadn't opened this yet. So, we have our Skar Audio RP 1200.1. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, caution, do not mount amplifier to subwoofer enclosure. I can't tell you how many people I see do that all the time, and that's not the proper way to mount an amplifier. This is an electronic device that you don't want banging around and banging around and banging around. It's not good for the amp. Okay, we're gonna cut this really. So, Skar Audio so far has not let me down. Everything I've gotten from them, from their subs to their amps to their door speakers, has been fantastic. Got this little thing here. Their amps all put out rated power plus. Alright, there's the amp. Alright, let's check out the book real quick. See what the book says. So, we're at the RP 1200. RP 1200, so it's RMS at 4 ohms is 500 watts, RMS at 2 ohms is 800 watts, and RMS at 1 ohm is 1200 watts. Alright. There's that. Alright, we got our. What is this here? That's the bass remote. I'm not a big bass remote fan, but I'll take it. It's free. Comes with the amp. And there's an Allen wrench here. Must be for. So you got the wire, bass remote, Allen wrench. Alright, let's take a look at the amp. So I mean the amp is really, it's not that big. It's not that big. It's not that heavy. So that's my hand. Okay. So it's probably about 1.5 of my hand's length. And about a little less than a hand width. Probably 1.5 inches, 2 inches. So we got the protect and power remote here, input. So there's no output on this. A lot of amps have an output. This one happens to not. There's your bass EQ. That's odd. So it just has a 1, 2. So it's either 0, 6 dB or 12 dB. There's your gain, your low pressure filter, and your subsonic. And looks like 4-gauge wire maybe here? 4-gauge wire? Yeah, 4-gauge wire. I'll probably have to use wire reducers. Remote wire, and I'm gonna guess you might be able to slip 8-gauge in here. You might be able to. Let's see if I can. You might be able to slip 8-gauge in there. We'll try. We'll see what we get. And there's the rest of the amp. Alright, so we're gonna go put it in the car. And the next time you see us, we'll have the amp going. Alright guys, hey, thanks for watching. And we'll see you in a few. With the amp going on, we're going to put it on the Rockford T2 and send it. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Make sure you like the video. Give me a thumbs up. Check out our other videos. We have 20-30 different subs, 20-30 different amps, and Ring the bell down in the corner, as my son would say, so you can subscribe to the channel. That way you don't miss any future videos. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching again.